Want to grow your crypto effortlessly without spending hours watching charts or worrying about every market fluctuation? FundFusion is a smart, AI-driven crypto trading platform designed especially for Canadian investors who want reliable, automated profits, completely hands-free. It simplifies the entire investing journey by removing manual tasks and helping users earn reliable returns, even with no prior trading experience. To celebrate its 2025 launch in Canada, FundFusion is offering a limited-time welcome bonus for new users. Sign up through the official link and get extra trading credits to boost your early profits. This exclusive offer is only available during the early access phase, and spots are filling up fast. So now's the perfect time to join. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock all that FundFusion offers in Canada. By combining real-time market analysis with smart automation, FundFusion operates 24/7, scanning the crypto market and executing trades on your behalf. Users report daily profits ranging from 100 to 500 Canadian dollars, with some achieving monthly returns up to 70%, making it one of the most effective ways to earn passive crypto income. No technical skills? No problem. FundFusion handles everything in the background. What sets FundFusion apart is its Canada-based infrastructure and full compliance with national regulations, including Fintech, KYC, AML, and CRA standards. Your personal data and funds are protected with bank-grade encryption and strict privacy protocols. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, FundFusion's intelligent design makes investing easier than ever. Thousands across Canada are already using FundFusion to generate hands-free crypto income. It's trusted for its reliability, simplicity, and performance, designed to break down barriers and help everyday investors grow wealth in crypto without the usual hassle. Imagine your portfolio growing daily. No late-night trading or confusing charts required. FundFusion integrates seamlessly with major crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, allowing you to link your wallet and start trading within minutes. The AI behind the platform is built by top Fintech engineers and continuously adapts its strategies based on changing market trends, helping to minimize risk while maximizing returns. Click the link in the description now to activate your welcome bonus and experience the full power of FundFusion in Canada. Support matters too. A dedicated Canadian-based team is available 24/7 to assist you with setup, questions, or advanced features. If you're looking for a reliable, smart, and locally supported crypto income solution, this is your moment. As digital finance continues to grow, FundFusion positions itself as the go-to platform for Canadians aiming for long-term, automated investing. Whether you want to diversify, build passive income, or stay ahead of market trends, FundFusion delivers a dependable, future-ready experience tailored to your needs. Don't miss out. Click the link now to claim your bonus and start your journey with FundFusion today.